Welcome to Halloween How to Heaven, your go-to destination for all things Halloween decoration. We are here to help you transform your space into a spectacular wonderland. From eerie haunted house setups to adorably creepy crafts, we have got you covered with a treasure trove of ghoulishly good ideas. Our dedicated team of Halloween enthusiasts brings you step-by-step tutorials, creative inspirations, and budget-friendly hacks to ensure that every corner of your home exudes that perfect spine-chilling atmosphere. Whether you are a seasoned dye pro or just dipping your toes into the cauldron of crafting, our videos cater to all skill level. Explore a wide array of projects from macabre centerpieces to spine-tingling outdoor displays. We also delve into the art of upcycling and repurposing everyday items into hauntingly beautiful decor pieces. Plus, we are constantly on the lookout for the latest hauntingly beautiful decor pieces, ensuring you are always ahead of the curve. But it's not just about the finished product, we are all about the journey. Join us on this thrilling ride as we share personal anecdotes, mashups, and successes from our own dye adventures. We love connecting with our spooktacular community, so feel free to leave comments, ask questions, and share your own hair raising creations. So, whether you are preparing for a monster bash, setting up a ghostly graveyard, or just want to add a touch of Halloween magic to your everyday life, Halloween How to Happen is your ultimate source for spine chillingly good dye Halloween decoration ideas. Hit that subscribe button, grab your cauldron, and let's get crafting. Remember to replace with the actual name of your YouTube channel. This description should give viewers a clear ideas of what to expect and entice them to subscribe for more spooky dye goodness. Thanks for watching my video.